it's amazing anytime you can recognize veterans. I think it's a really good thing to do. It's a good thing for students to be aware of.
Veterans Day at Gold Hill Middle School begins with the Hallway of Heroes, where the Bulldogs honor local military service members.
The willingness to place duty and country above everything else.
Followed by a Veterans Day breakfast to celebrate the service members who served our country.
We had a big turnout today. We do have a lot of students that have a family member who is either active service or is a veteran. It's just important to us to have them in here, celebrate them.
Justin Keski, a 21-year Air Force veteran, appreciates the opportunity to celebrate his fellow veterans with his son.
I think it's great to be recognized. A lot of military members feel after they retire that they're forgotten for what they've done. And so anytime you can recognize and remember, it's an important thing.
Sean Jackson, a 17-year veteran of the Army and Air Force, is celebrating Veterans Day with his 8th grade daughter, Ari.
So this is me as a young second lieutenant.
He believes that educating students about the sacrifices and commitment required to serve in the armed forces is an important learning opportunity.
And I feel like events like this kind of show that the school does have priority for things that are outside of academics too, that help grow you as an individual. And understanding this part of your community is important.
I really feel like Veterans Day means to me, like, not only does it mean for everyone that served, it was important, but especially for me, for my dad, because this day is really just a recognition, like, these people really worked hard and helped our community.
Our parents are so generous. They sent in so many goodies to put in the stockings.
And then I kind of started thinking about it, and I was like, you know, it would be really nice for us to do some sort of service activity while the veterans are here.
They are crafting 25 holiday stockings to bring cheer and comfort to patients at a veterans hospital in Asheville, North Carolina.
Thank you.
I've gone and spent time in those VA hospitals, especially the long-term patients. I know it might seem small, but it means a lot to the community of veterans to honor the spirit behind what makes a veteran a veteran.
Jim Foltz and his 6th grade son Jack helped stuff the stockings, bringing a little holiday cheer to those celebrating at the Veterans Hospital.
Thanks so much. This is fantastic.
It was really fun. I think when they get that, they'll be really proud of us because we're showing a lot of spirit to them.
So I've been to Veterans Hospitals before, and they're always very thrilled and very appreciative of the time and effort that folks put into recognizing it. So, especially the time during the holidays, where they're not able to spend time with their families, may not be feeling the best. So I think it's a kind of special touch.
Jim Foltz served in both the Air Force and the Army. The retired Lieutenant Colonel is grateful to Gold Hill Middle School for hosting this event to honor those who served in the armed forces.
And so I'm very humbled to have a community come together and recognize the service. We don't expect it, but we certainly appreciate it more than we can express.